Hello, traders, and happy Friday. Today we have live trading floor here with me and Amin. We're going to have some Friday scalp. Maybe we should have a day. Hello, happy Friday scalping.
Hello, guys.
Hey,
Happy Friday scalping. Let's hope for the best.
let's hope for the best. You know, the hope is not the best word to use when it comes to trading, but it's okay. We're gonna get there. We're going to get there. So guys, please just know that these trades are for entertainment. We're not financial advisors. We're going to have different setups. We're going to talk about different things and all that, but please do not copy any of the trades. Okay, always use your own analysis. So me and Amin, we are just here to guide you through and figure out what is it that we see in here, what is it that we can do. And I am going to jump with my first trade in straight away, and I'll tell you why. So I've been looking at this EU. So this is 15-minute chart, and in here we have like this resistance level. Okay, so we did had news. So there was a big push and like rejection. So what I want to do, I actually want to enter the trade and sell from this right here. Let me put my stops. I'm going to target 1.5. Maybe my stop could be lower. Maybe like I want to like lower it here. Like so. So this is going to be my setup. I am going to sell. Okay. Let me see. Wait. Something's fishy going on. Do we have news? Let me check news. I mean, what is going on?
Yeah, when you scalp, you always have to check news to be sure where you are and also to not
Okay.
breach the rules.
I'm checking. I'm checking. Okay. Let me see. It could be just, the volume of the London
The
coming
opening,
in
yeah?
as well. Yeah. Okay. Let me see calendar. Is there any news now? It was Euro. So we're gonna have red folder news in 30 minutes. So, but that's fine. So we're just gonna try. Okay. We're going to enter this trade. So 11 pip stop loss. I'm using my calculator, my risk tool. Well, not 911, but 11. I'm going to use one. So it's going to be 5, I think. I'm going to use 0.5% risk. So I'm just going to adjust my stop loss, lot size, I mean. And we are in. Okay.
How many percent you risk?
So I am risking
Yeah,
just a
0.5%.
little bit above.
Nice.
Yeah, just a little bit above because I want my stop to be like in above like these previous wicks. So yeah. So 0.5% risk. We're selling EU and we will see how it's gonna do. Let me put my profit. So just want to profit like down here. So in these lows. Okay. So actually let me put us in the 1 minute chart so we can see a little bit better. So that's how my trade is looking. Let me adjust my risk to reward tool because I entered in here. Okay. That's how the trade is looking. Because last time I took the gold trade and it was a winner. So maybe it was a win. So maybe now I'll be able to win again. Who knows?
Yeah,
Okay. Let's see.
it's good day.
Let's see. What about you? I mean, what are you looking at? What is it that you are trying to
So
find? Let
I'm
me.
checking the gold right now. Okay, the
Mm-hmm,
5 minute time frame.
mm-hmm.
It's going lower and lower. Okay, but it's not
Okay.
reaching any recent key level to bounce. So I'm gonna shift to 1 minute time frame and same. It's breaking all levels. It's a falling knife. I don't like touching that.
Yeah.
So I will wait for God to pass
Mm-hmm.
and be less less tricky. So for now,
Let's
for
try.
God, I don't touch it. I will just wait for it to bounce
Mm-hmm.
on a lower level. So I put it on 15 minutes time frame, and it's on wait and see game because we may be going near at the bottom to this level on
Mhm.
the 15 minutes time frame there. So there, yeah, I will wait for the price at this place on the for the gold for a bounce, and
Mhm.
that's it. I will then shift to another asset, very key for during the London session,
Mhm.
who is pound USD. So on the 15 minutes, we are in the key level directly,
Mhm.
where we had multiple rejections and a bounce after it. So I'm drawing the level, and I have a good multiple rejections. Okay, and I wait again on the 15 minutes to have better price action because I enter with a confluence of parameters. I need
Mhm.
first my a key level and a bounce on it, but it's not enough. I need a better price action. It can be a good hammer with a nice wick or an engulfing candle. Okay, and after that, I want a confirmation in addition as a stochastic oversold or RSI oversold that give me
Mhm.
even more value and confluence to the trade. And
Mhm.
only then I place my order above the candle. I don't enter directly, I just place my order above it and wait for the next candle to open and see if
Mhm.
there is momentum or not. If it's closing and not going above, for me there is a lack of momentum and I deactivate the trade. There is no more trade.
Mm. Yeah. I
So
think
it
it's gonna break.
filters.
I think it's gonna break and
Yeah,
then
if it's
retest,
breaking,
then be
we'll
for
wait
sale. Yeah.
for the break and pull back. It's the best
Mhm.
to have the win rate and to be safe. So on
Mhm.
the 5 minutes, I have same. So indeed, we have almost recent level there on the left. Okay.
Mhm.
So I will still wait for a better price action. I want a hammer or an
Mm.
engulfing candle, just like this. There, same.
Yeah.
There I have multiple rejections with a nice wick and an engulfing candle, and the stochastics well oversold, as you can see in cross the green cross the red on the area of oversold, and yeah, you placed your order
Mhm.
there, and boom, nice win.
Yeah. Just waiting for more confirmation,
But
basically.
yeah, it was 8 p.m. and I don't trade forex pairs at that
Okay.
time. But yeah, it was during the stream, and I didn't take the trade. I was already on Oro USD.
Mhm. Okay. Well, I think, for traders, it's always good to be prepared for both sides. So if you're waiting for the buys and it doesn't happen, then you can switch on to be a seller. If there's a clear break of the support for GU,
Yeah,
then
I will
you can
still
get
wait.
into sales. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
yeah, I will still wait for a pullback on this. I
Mm-hmm.
will not enter directly the break of the
Yeah.
level, but
Yeah.
only if I have another condition is a bounce on the 50 EMA in addition.
Okay.
So when I have a bounce on the 50 EMA and it's testing in the same time a support, so
Mm-hmm.
it's like getting compressed between two key levels. Okay, and boom, if it's exploding the support horizontal one, there it means it may have a good strength to go lower. I will
Mm-hmm.
be I will not wait for the pullback. I will directly place my
Just enter
order
the trade. Yeah. Yeah.
and
That
wait
makes
for
sense.
it because sometimes there is strong momentum for this kind of breakout structure
Mm-hmm.
and without any coming back to the level. But yeah,
Mhm.
this is the only thing. It's when the price is bouncing against the 50 EMA and the key level. Only
Mhm.
then I enter directly at the breakout.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Well,
for
we need
now,
to wait. Waiting.
pound.
Waiting time.
It's yeah, it's part of trading. But yeah,
Yeah.
you can have multiple way of trading. Okay, you
Mhm.
can decide you to have multiple strategies. Okay,
Mhm.
to then adapt to one market or just few markets. But you have to get ready and have a lot of shift in your
Mm.
mind, and it can be exhausting.
Mhm.
On my side, I'm
Yeah.
checking multiple time frames on multiple assets with one strategy. Okay. Later, I will add more strategies. But yeah, we can. If I don't have a bounce on a key level, I may check for a pullback on 50 MA with Fibonacci level. Okay, or a break strategy, as you can see. So like this, you react to the market, but with strategies that you're already well tested and know, and not just on feeling. Because on scalping, you truly need to be fast and know what you are doing when you enter the trade. You have to be sure. You have to master what you are trading.
Mhm.
So let's check
That's
gold
true.
again. How it goes? Yeah, it's to the down very strongly. So yeah,
Mhm.
it may touch very soon the 50, yeah, the 15 minutes gold level there. It's yeah, it's a nice dump.
Yep.
What
It
about you? How
is.
is your trade?
My trade is looking good. We're going lower. I'm curious, guys. Are you, for those who are watching, are you trading something? Are you looking at something? Marcus says, "Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for joining in." Um, so I am just going to sit tight. I like what I see based on like 1 minute price action. And it just says that we did came up. So actually, let me fix this one so I can not that dark. Not that dark, like this. So that's like my resistance area. And we know that we did came into that resistance. We did took out, like I think that would be like fake out in here. Because maybe so many also thought, well, this pullback happened and then we're gonna go higher, but then the price, came lower. And for me, I'm just going to sit tight and see what's going to happen. But I also really like this on 15 minutes, though. Like, I really do. I think this was a really, really good area. We pulled all the way because if you start to look at this, then trend is going down, right? So we can just the way we read the price action, we're making lower lows, we're failing to break the highs again, lower lows in here. We're pulling back. This was a really good pullback, and we thought maybe we'll see the trend change. But again, price failed and we're like going lower. So now this is just really good area where the price, because it's been how many times? One, two, three, four, five, six, right? So it's been like a lot of times the price struggled to break through this. And then again, many traders will come in and say, yeah, but the more price is testing the area, the more it's going to look like it's wanting to go up instead of like, pushing down. So and I think that's why my target is just lower in here. I don't want to target, like these areas in here. So this is more like a scalp intraday thing going on. And I thought, well, it's a good opportunity to do it. Um Kathleen says, morning, good morning. I'm looking on US 500 and waiting to enter to go higher. Okay, we'll need to check that. Uh, is that session? But it moves. Oh, it's okay. Depends. US 500. Is it US 500? That's like S&P. I mean, am I correct? No.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
But on my side, I'm kind of a conservative man. I don't trade American markets only
In the
on the
London.
opening.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So London session, I look at DAX,
Mm-hmm.
um, CAC, etc. French,
Mm-hmm.
German, and other European markets.
Yeah.
But if your
That's
strategy is working in other
exactly.
session,
Yes.
you go for it. Just
Yep.
on me, it's not working well when I'm not
This
in the
comment.
right session.
It is. It is. Well, it's a good decision, I guess. But I love this comment. Good morning, traders. Let's continue to make intelligent profits. Yes. Is this
Very
is
good,
this going
very good comment.
intelligent profits? I don't know. Is this going to be intelligent? So, what do you mean by like intelligent? Because like everything is by the plan. Where I applied proper risk. I set my stop based on the previous price action highs. I'm targeting the previous lows. So I feel intelligent today.
Indeed, this is a
Quite
good
impressed.
feeling. This is good feeling. The best feeling is when you put everything as you should, and it's a
Yes.
win. Second best feeling is when you put everything as you should, and it's still a loss. But yeah, you did everything right. At
Yeah.
least I'm not a gambler.
Yeah. And I always say like it's good to have good losses. Like even if this trade completely reverses and does something, like this, it's fine. If it does like that, it's good because the main thing is I applied proper risk. I entered the trade where it was according to my plan. And now I just wait and see what's going to happen. And like so many times you also can hear traders using words like hope. I'm hoping this is going to be the profit. Obviously, yes, I have expectation of positive outcome, but I think it's just really, really important that we execute our plan, we do as our plan says, and then we just let it be. And I've noticed that it's so much easier to trade when you have a plan than when you don't have a plan.
Yeah,
Because
otherwise it's not trading. For me,
no, not
if you
trading.
trade, you have a plan.
Hmm.
If you're not trading,
Yeah,
you are either playing or a gamble. But it's not
yeah,
trading.
it's not trading. So yeah, we'll see what this trade is going to do. And one thing is like we can set in 1 minute time frame to just like really see what is going on more in the price action. But I also think um at some point when the market is moving right sharply, then the fill is going to happen. So this was like the big push upside, and now you can see that we're taking our sweet time to move lower, but the price action is telling us that yeah, we are taking time, but we're making the move down because this was the pullback also into our zone, broke these lows, and now we're going lower. So I think yeah, everything looks good in here, and even if it does start to come up, maybe then I can exit trade because the price action is changing. And also for that, like how you exit your trades, when you use the break even or when you don't use the break even, when you take partials, when you don't, that's all should be part of your trading plan. So all part of your risk management plan, really, because trading plan is like two things, right? Well, actually three, I think. The first one is strategy, the second one is risk management, but then we need to make sure that the third part in there, that's like your mindset, that you can actually handle like all the things that you are saying that you're going to do. And good example, guys, if your strategy is good and then you say, I'm going to risk 1% on every single trade, and then you go on like a 4 trade, 5 trade losing streak, I bet your fifth or sixth trades, it's going to be hard because risking 1% after
Yeah,
losses is
this
going
is
to
why
be
you
like,
should stop trading normally. You should stop trading for the day and take it off. This is why we should stop because we know that in the long run, all our trades, if we follow it strictly, are
mm,
in the win side. But why we stop after a few losses? Why it's the advice of a lot of people to, yeah, you stop after a certain percentage of loss or number of trades. It's
mm-hmm,
because we will not be able to take it.
mm-hmm. We won't
We're
be able
gonna
to like
drift.
emotionally, yes, exactly. That's the part. That's what it is. Like you want to take the trade, and trading plan says for you to take the trade, but in the reality, you're just going to be struggling mentally. Like you would not be able. And I've been there. I've been there. I've done that where I struggled to put the trade on simply because It was just too much. I really like this. I really, really like this. See this area in here. I think it's a really good like support. And this is like the part that I don't like because the GU looks like we could, start to go higher, or we're going to break and then, move lower. And this would be for me ideal because currently I am in the EU sales. Marcus is asking, what time frame is Euro USD? So the analysis was based more on 15 minutes right here. So we had like this resistance area, but I took it on 1 minute, basically, just to say that there was the break below the zone, and then we came to retest, and I just took the trade. So analysis on 15 minutes and entry on 1 minute. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, like these things like really makes me feel uncomfortable because when GU is telling me that the price is going to go up, but I'm in the sales for a U, it's like tricky situation there because those are both against, because it's EU,
So yeah,
euro,
when it's
dollar,
like this, you
and
have to pick
dollar.
one and don't trade
Yeah,
more than the one you take.
yeah. So what I would be,
Like when I trade forex and I have something on forex pair,
yeah,
I take one trade at a time on forex pair when it's correlated. Like if I have pound
mm-hmm,
USD trade and euro USD trade, I have to pick one, mate.
yeah,
One, and I don't trade any other pairs with either euro or
mm-hmm,
USD if I'm in a trade of euro USD. So I maybe look at pound franc Swiss or other
mm-hmm,
asset, but that's
yeah,
it. So yeah, I place
yeah,
my orders for both euro USD and pound USD for a buying side.
mm-hmm.
Now it's waiting game. Uh, I have
It really
maybe a
is.
pullback on euro USD on Fibonacci level and the 50 MA.
I like
And
what I see.
for the pound, it's breaking my level, so maybe it will
it's
not.
it's breaking, yeah. It is breaking. Um,
But at least
although
my
like
order is there, waiting in
get
case
your
of it
orders
weak.
waiting. I'm just like curious, like if you guys trade like EU and like in my case, so I want EU to go down, obviously, right? So this like seeing GU go down, it's like an extra confirmation. Although we know that in GU in 7 minutes we're going to have high impact news. So if you're trading with leveraged, we do have no news trading. So 5 minutes before and 5 minutes after, you cannot open any new positions. So this is going to be interesting. Interesting for sure. Because there's like, this is another level. This is like our low. So this is like low, low, low. The low, the capital
Yeah,
letters low, right? And I mean, if it's starting to break, then there is a potential for the price to reach these lows in here. Um, and yeah, we will see how
yeah,
that is
it's
going to,
breaking very well,
yeah.
and yeah, both are going down. Too
Mm-hmm.
bad, no pullback for me, no reversal.
I'll go back for you. But like now we
But it's
wait.
okay.
Obviously,
I will wait for the next level
yes,
or a
exactly,
pullback from
exactly
this
that.
break.
Yeah, just being more careful because we are in the session. So in 6 minutes, we're going to have news. So it's going to be really interesting to see what's gonna
Yeah,
what's
at
gonna
this moment,
happen.
we will not take trade, but we will
No,
show if
the
we have
direction.
any. Yeah, exactly.
Hmm. Hmm. So we just need to wait. Need to wait and see. Um,
So, do you check cryptos during the London session, or you don't trade cryptos?
No, to be fair, guys, I'll tell you this. I only trade EU and GU, and from my strategy, like my original strategy that I've been trading for years, I'm taking a break currently because it's been really tricky to trade because normally I would only trade 15 minutes. So what I'm doing in here is really like I'm testing, and I guess like I'm trying to move to a lower time frame to see how I can enter trades much better, because when you trade higher time frames, what happens is that very often you would be waiting for I would be waiting for my candle closure, right? And the candle closure is so big, then it's like it doesn't make sense anymore to take that trade because there's not enough risk to reward. And in my plan, I don't take anything less than 2 hour. But like in this case, you can see I took this EU trade and it's only 1.5 hour. So I'm testing new things and I'm trying to figure out how can I increase my profitability basically, because with my strategy that I trade for a really long time, I go through so many losses and then I struggle with sticking to my plan, or I'm not going to be taking trades because I'm too scared to enter the trade because I've been through such a horrendous, brutal drawdown in a row that is just
This is
getting
not good
really,
feeling.
really hard. And it's definitely not a good feeling. And I think, like, obviously, yes, everyone wants to see traders trade well, especially when we go on like, the trading floor. Everyone wants to see traders win. But I think, transparency is more important than just showing you the show. Hey, I made this much money, or hey, I did this. Look at my good trades. I mean, yeah, like this trade is going well, but I accept the fact that I know I'm like how many pips away I am, like 3 pips away. But like I said, the trade could do something like this and we can start, going up. But anyhow, yeah, I'm really like in a testing phase where I am still applying my original strategy like roles, and that's why I'm like still doing my support resistant zones, because that's like what I trade is the zones. But I'm just trying to experiment with my entries that I do not wait for that closure of the candle, because like my original entry would be this one, right? And I would put the stops in here and I would most likely target these lows in here. So yeah, we'll see. Morning all. I just closed my GU short for quick Friday profits as news in 5 minutes. Great. Good job. Great. Well done.
So no
Let
more
me
trading,
see.
guys.
Oh, look at this. This is a lovely push here. I assume you probably took the sell somewhere in here and then just got out. Really, really good. Um Wrong account, Steve. Oh, Steve, thank you for joining in. Steve has 2 YouTube channels, so he's commenting from the wrong one. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm just curious, like when you trade, obviously now we will have news in 3 minutes and GU EU is like affected. Would you get out of your trades on EU, although the news are on GU, like on
I
the
don't,
pound?
I don't have any trade. I
No,
remove
no, I know,
everything.
but like if you would, if you
Okay.
would be me now, okay, like would you get out of the EU trade just because there is news on GBP USD? Oh, GBP. Would you?
If I'm already on a trade, right?
Uh-huh.
I don't remove my trade.
Okay. So we
Once
just
I'm in
wait.
the trade,
Okay.
yeah. But you have to backtest. On my side, when it was backtested, I don't remove my trade when it's set. The only
Yeah.
condition is when the price touch my take profit but didn't close
Mhm.
because of the spread. Then I have to close it manually.
Manually. Yeah. Makes sense. Makes
That's
sense.
it. This is the
Um,
only time when also know the another one. It's when it's the end of New York session and I say bye bye to this
you say
market and
bye-bye.
shift to cryptos market because yeah, there will be a drop of liquidity. So in my
Yeah.
strategy is relying on this.
Okay. Should I close my trade, guys? Can you tell me
So let me
tell
show.
Anna what to
Let
do?
me check how it goes. Wow. Um, this is why it's important to backtest everything.
I know,
The-
right? You just
in fact,
stop
the
practicing. I need
backtesting
decisions. I need
can
decisions, Amin.
yeah, I know. You should close it.
I should. I should close it. Okay, what
Yeah,
do you
close
think,
it.
guys? Should I close it or should I leave it be? Let's see. Will Anna make
You're already
$500?
above 50% profit, so it's a good take. And
Yeah,
when you are not sure, you close. This is how you either you close or either you go you
yeah,
move the stop loss.
yeah. I know, right? So there's two options really, but the thing is,
So
oh
this
no,
is 1 minute
this
time frame, right? So you
yeah,
should
this is
put the stop loss above. No,
Maybe like
lower.
here
No, no, lower, 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 lower again. The
or
last,
here.
yeah, this one, yeah, it's good.
Oh, like based on price action. So the
Yeah,
last
yeah,
place in.
yeah. You follow up
Okay. And then it's
step by
gonna
step.
do this. Wait. Let me show example. What's gonna happen? It's gonna take my stop loss in here, and then it's gonna go down. Okay.
I know, I know. It happens sometimes where the price touch my take profit. It
Yeah.
was touching the take profit because of the spread. It didn't close, and
Yeah.
it goes on up until touching the stop loss. And it was at that moment I knew I stop letting my trade go if the price is touching the take profit and not closing. I have to close it manually.
Oh, okay. I will
There,
leave
there
it
you are
be.
good. Your trade is good. Either you close it directly or you step by step with price action.
Yeah. I'm just gonna leave it be. There we go. This is the right account. Right account. Is that EU or GU, Anna? My eyes are tired. Oh my goodness, it's early morning for you. It's 9:30. It's EU trade, but we're looking also GU what it does. And now this is like perfect because it broke and we came to
And
retest.
it's
The only
testing back
thing,
again the
yeah.
pound
Let
USD.
me see 1 minute.
Didn't wait. Direct, bam, break, bam,
Yep.
test again.
Yep.
Pull back directly, very fast.
The only thing is I cannot enter because this is my senior account and 5 minutes. So I need to wait 5 minutes and maybe then I can enter. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what
For
it's
me,
going
I
to
wait.
do.
I wait for USD to come touch a support on 1 minute time frame. Pound
Mm.
USD. I I have nothing for now because it's too risky. I'm
Too
afraid.
risky. Okay, let me see. Let
Look,
me see
I
your
need to
charts.
relax.
What is it that you're doing? Oh wow, it's going back up. Like that's a
Yeah,
big engulfing candle.
it's a nice fake breakout. Nice try.
Mm. I
We
still think
wait.
it's going
Maybe
to
it's
go down.
just a week, so we're gonna have to wait. It's only 2 minutes from this candle, so you can't
Yeah.
decide from what I've understood with the price action is anything can happen in few seconds. So you have to wait until the close of the
Yeah.
candle to decide, not during.
Mm-hmm.
USD, it's getting near of a strong support on 1 minute time frame. Pound,
Mm-hmm.
it's trying to trick me to take a
Mm-hmm.
breakout
Yeah.
trade. This is why
Oh,
I always wait for
that's a big
better
candle.
confirmation. And for gold, yeah, we're getting slowly near
Okay.
the level of the 15 minute time frame.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this looks good.
So
I mean,
what
I'm
we
really
can get
interested.
is, yeah, for now, as strategies, we can trade nothing because of the news.
Mm-hmm.
And once the news is done, maybe I will be trading a pullback strategy on
Mm-hmm.
the pound if it's reaching a Fibonacci level, as you can see there, and trying to bounce on the 50 EMA at the same time. There it will be a good go to enter, but I just place it just in case I draw the Fibonacci levels and like
Mm-hmm.
this, just in case we know we are in a Fibo level. So it depends. People trade all Fibonacci levels. For me, I trade only the best ones, means the 50% and the 61.8%, who is stronger even.
That's a really strong push for GU.
Yeah, it's
Like
a
really,
nice
really
fake
strong push.
breakout.
It looks like it was a fake breakout. And let's see if it's going to affect my EU trade as well, like
We
going
need to
higher.
continue how it goes because I think we have a nice structure. So this is the 15 minutes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's see what it's going to do. Like, well, because there's potential now. This is at like 50%. 50% is good, but we're just a little bit above.
Yeah, but it's
What
not for
indicator
not
is
for
that?
me. I
What indicator, I mean, do you use like in the middle? That is the RSI?
Yeah, it's
Moving
RSI and
average.
stochastics. So
Okay.
I combine both. Sometimes I need
Mm-hmm.
only one, but yeah, my rules are very strict.
Yeah.
Everything starts with price action, and from that, I either check for a key level,
Mm-hmm.
either resistance or support,
Mm-hmm.
or a pullback on the Fibonacci level with bounce on the 50 EMA.
Okay.
And after that, I have to wait for a better price action. Like I said, a nice hammer or an engulfing candle. Okay, and only after I check RSI and stochastics. So sometimes, even if I don't have any good stochastics and RSI confirmation, I go for the trade because I will have not enough of data because I have a Fibonacci level, a nice hammer rejections on the 50 EMA, and also a recent level. All this is enough for me. And but if I don't have all this, I may check RSI and stochastics.
Okay. Makes
But for
sense.
breakout strategies, I check mainly for volume. I check for the
Yeah.
tick of volume. Up there, I
Mm.
put tick of volume, and I wait to see how it goes with if this breakout is having momentum or not.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, depending on your strategy, you have to adapt. So let
Waiting.
me check
It's
how it goes.
waiting.
In fact, it's sniper trading. You you have to get ready. When you have it, you pull the trigger and you enter quick, and you have to exit also quick. But yeah,
Yeah.
how it goes in your trade? Let me see.
Um, my trade is, let me see. So this is GU here, and that's EU. So we're just like taking these highs in here. So this candle already, like we can zoom in even more so we can see that this wick almost got
It's teasing
here.
you.
This is another wick. So yeah, it's teasing, it's teasing. But I'm still gonna, I'm gonna keep it open. It's good. It's still good. Um, like still makes sense based on the price action. Um, so we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Like I really would not want for the price to go higher than this high in here. But hey, what I want, market doesn't care, okay?
Exactly. It's sadly often
Like
like this, and often it go against what I what we
I
want.
know, I know.
This is why you
Um,
have strategies.
yeah,
We
and this is why
follow
we
our
test.
rules.
Yeah, test and make the rules. But I mean, I love this fact that there was like this high, it was taken, and then like this big engulfing candle. And to be honest, 1 minute chart, that's like new for me. I feel like there's
It's
so much
quantum
going
mode.
on. It's I enjoy my 15 minutes. Like that's where I feel the most comfortable with.
Yeah,
And I
this
was
is
just like recently reading that nothing grows in your comfort zone. And I've been so comfortable trading 15 minutes for such a long time. So now going like into 1 minute charts to try and see more of a price action, like to be in that literally action, because that's where everything happens, right? Um, Steven says, Anna Scalper. Yeah, I'm far away from scalper. I don't think I have mental capacity to be the scalper, but
you have to do it step by step.
step by step, I guess.
Step
Yeah.
by step. Like you take one strategy at a time, for example. Okay, just like I showed you.
Yeah.
Like yeah, you are good with the key levels, so you
Hmm.
focus on that only. And when you master it, to have quick trades on 1 minute time frame, you
Yeah.
only then you start adding other trades. This is
I
how
guess.
it should be. Because many people go on scalping and with all the strategies they know. Oh, I see a pullback there. Now I see a pullback. Now I have a breakout. I enter there. Sell there. It's a
Hmm.
total mess. You need to do
Yeah.
this only when you have a lot of experience on trading multiple strategies on the lower time frame, because Doing this, the same multiple strategies on day trading, it's easier. You have time.
Mhm.
I'm in trade on Euro USD.
You got the trade. You got into trades. Wait. Let me see. Let me see. Can I join you? Can I
I thought
join you?
it's a good idea. It's just for the show because we need a trade. So I took it to trade, but don't do like me because it's a trading session show.
Yeah. It's just yeah, do not force. Basically, we're telling you guys do not force your trades, and yet Amin goes and force his
No, no, I
trades.
didn't force. I will show you guys how I took the trade. It's 5 minutes on pound USD. I
Okay.
had a nice rejection candle, okay, as you can see there, on the
Mm-hmm.
Fibonacci levels and the 50 EMA.
Okay.
So it was clean. It's respecting all the rules. I have nothing to say.
Mm-hmm.
But
Nothing to say.
just I don't like it. But
You don't like it because it's in a drawdown, or you don't like it because there's something wrong with like price action or
no, no, because we are near a strong support.
okay.
So the
Yeah.
take profit when I have a very strong near resistance or support, my take profit should be always in the area, not
Mm-hmm.
below. So I have to adjust my take profit because of that.
Mm-hmm.
It's part of the rules. That's it.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see. But why I don't like it, it's also because we had a pullback, a very
Mm-hmm.
strong fake breakout. And often when you have a fake breakout, it keeps going up or
Yeah.
down.
Yeah,
But
just like that support area of
yeah,
15 minutes.
I have to
Mm.
follow the rules, even if
Mm.
it's not good feeling. But this is where you have to stick to the rules. When you don't have good feeling on a trade or good feeling for a trade, but your rules are telling you to not enter, you don't enter. And when it's the reverse, same.
Mm.
This is
Steven
where
said,
you have to, yeah, separate yourself from your emotions and trade,
"Ha,
even if,
wish it was easy." Um, Steve says, "That's exactly what I'm looking at. Like literally, I'm looking at this. Let me show you. So this is my GU, and Steve says, I want GU to break 13313, which would be this level in here, like that. So that this one. So we
yeah,
go
always
at like this,
up and
and
up.
then like that, something like that. If we respect this level, I think this could be like because this engulfing candle here, and this is 1 minute chart, and this is like I'm fighting with this. This is 1 minute, like it's changing so fast when you're
Yeah,
used to
this is
watch
why
like
you truly
it's
need to keep one strategy at a time. Like this,
yeah.
indeed, you will have less trades, but
Mm,
your mind and your eyes will get use it to only seeing the same stuff on this time frames, and
yeah.
it will catch easy. And only after this, you will add up other strategies
Hmm.
slowly but surely. Even if you see a nice pullback on a clean level with the nice Fibonacci, nice hammer, but you trade another strategy, you don't
Yeah.
take the trade, you keep going. I suggest you
Hmm.
until you have a nice experience and feel at ease. You can do this for yeah, strict 30. Some for some people need 50 or one even 100 trades
Yeah.
until they get used to one strategy on scalp.
Mm.
And then they add more and more until you have three strategies ongoing on scalp, and then you scalp everything you see.
You scalp everything you see.
Exactly. But it's part of your respected strategy. But it takes time to prepare all this, and people
Yeah.
doesn't like to wait
Yeah.
to make the
Unless you're old, like
preparation,
Steven
the
says, I'm old.
training.
I trade 5-minute charts.
So now
You're
for
not old.
pound, yeah, it's trying to go up. Soon
Yeah.
it will touch the stop loss. Sadly, let me put
Ah,
the music. This is the
yeah.
end. Na, na,
Yeah.
na.
This this is the end.
It's okay, and
But it's
here
okay.
we
If
go.
you're touching stop loss, I am almost like I'm still in there holding on. So EU's doing much better. EU's
Bam,
definitely
stop
doing
loss
better.
touch.
Yeah. I mean,
Nice. We started with a nice losing trade in the morning. We like this. This is what we like. This is what we live.
yeah, for losing trades. Oh no. Oh no, this is bad. It's
So
okay. It is what it is.
it is what it is.
It is
It's
what
okay.
it
It was a
is.
good setup,
It
but
was.
yeah, as I said, I don't like what I was saying in the chart. Fake breakout always keep going after re-entering in the area of before.
Mm.
So I'm gonna just cry a moment and come back.
You're gonna go and cry in the pillow. Look, I put this comment on. Better take a good loss than a bad win. And this one was a good
This is
loss. As you said,
beautiful.
you entered based on your strategy, based on your rules, and it was a good loss. Okay. And we love good losses. Okay. That's what we do
Indeed,
here at Leveraged. We love good losses.
indeed, indeed. If you take
Oh,
a bad
look at
win,
my look at my trade. So I have put like this little box in here. So this is
let me
like
show
our
you.
resistance area. And
Beautiful.
I mean, it's looking good, right? We can keep on holding. But the thing is, I want to close the trading session. Like, I think one trade a
Oh, it's
day.
already 50 minutes. Time goes
I know
goes very fast when you scalp.
time goes fast
That's
when
for
you have
sure.
fun, eh?
Indeed.
Yeah, time goes
So we
fast.
had a nice winning trade for Anna and a nice losing trade for me. I
Well,
hope you
not yet.
enjoyed.
Not yet. Guys,
Ah, you
whatever is
closed
not
it.
in your bank account is not a winning trade. So it's still open. It's still open. No, but I am going to close it. So let's
Play
just
to
finish
win.
the day. Beautiful trades. I closed it. And it is what it is. We're going to close this session. Before we do, just wanted to make sure that you guys join our Discord community. It's a good community where also Amin is doing live trading in Discord every single day, Monday to Friday. So maybe not, I can't say every single day, Monday to Friday. That
Yeah,
sounds,
I do trading every day.
yeah,
I
yeah.
trade every day in the Discord. We do live
Yep.
trading session, and I analyze your assets in the same time, and we talk if you have any question related to trading. And maybe
Mm-hmm.
soon we're gonna start trying to create a new indicator. We will see how it
Ooh,
goes, but for now, yeah, we're having good sessions. Better
yep.
wins than this morning, that's for sure.
It's just, yeah, like market has been really good for me. So we had like these two trading floors in here now, and one first one I won gold, and this one I won in EU. So we'll see how the next trading floor is going to be for us. But please join the community. Also, there we do community giveaways in there, and we're trying to stay healthy, walking. We are sharing the setup. So we're just really trying to build a community where we can support one another. So really important thing is to be supportive of one another. And yeah, thank you so much for joining in. This is the end of the week. It's been a good week. Like for this account, I am almost 2.5% up. This is my phase one. So who knows? I might be finishing phase one at some point. We'll
Good.
see how that's gonna go. We'll see. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for being here. Appreciate y'all. Have a good weekend. Do your weekly ASR. Make sure that you journal your trades, you look at
Indeed.
them, and yeah,
When you
you
scalp,
figure out.
you should do it daily.
Yeah,
It's
definitely.
will be
Um,
too much otherwise.
Yep. Right. Okay. I am off for one-on-one sessions. By the way, guys, if you don't know, you can get one-on-one coaching sessions with myself if you have a funded account here at Leveraged. You should also get an email to book your session. So yeah, thank you, guys. I will catch you with Amin next week. Yeah.
Indeed.
Cool.
Have a good weekend,
Indeed.
guys. May the market be with you.
Yes. Right, guys. Take care, and we'll